Hey everyone, and welcome. We're about to dive into one of Safely's most powerful components, ordering and menu management. Our goal here is simple, to help you become an absolute pro at controlling your food service operations. So, let's get right to it.
Does this scene sound a little too familiar? You've got menus living in a spreadsheet over here, a mountain of paper tickets piling up over there, and a bunch of different tools that just refuse to talk to each other. It's organized chaos, right? It creates friction for your team and, honestly, a pretty inconsistent experience for your customers. Well, we're here to fix all of that.
So, here's our game plan for today. We'll kick things off by looking at the problem, and then we'll walk step by step through the solution. We're going to build a menu, capture some orders, and see how things look from the kitchen. Then, and this is the cool part, we'll see how it all connects to the bigger picture and get you started on your own path to mastery.
First up, let's talk about what it means to make that fundamental shift, moving away from juggling paper and spreadsheets and embracing a single, unified platform. This is a real game changer. You know, when your systems are all over the place, the problems are very real. You get operational friction that just slows your whole team down. You get inconsistent service, which can really hurt your reputation. And maybe worst of all, you get poor traceability. So when something inevitably goes wrong, trying to figure out why is practically impossible. So how do we solve this? Well, it all begins with building a rock-solid foundation. This is the part where you start to take back control of the whole process.
And getting started is honestly as simple as 1, 2, 3. First, you create your dishes, then you define your meal times, and finally, you bring it all together by building your menu plans. Let's just quickly break down what each of those really means.
First things first, dishes. Just think of these as the Lego bricks for your menu. Every single soup, sandwich, or special. This is where you give it a name, a tasty description, and you can even pop in a photo to make it look fantastic.
Next up, we have meal times. This is how you bring some order to your day. You define exactly when breakfast, lunch, or dinner is being served. This makes sure that customers and your staff can only order the right things at the right time. It's such a simple way to get rid of confusion.
And finally, the menu plan is where the magic really happens. You just assign your dishes to specific dates and meal times, and just like that, you've created a single source of truth for your entire operation. No more guessing games about what's on the menu today. Okay, our menu foundation is set. Now, let's look at how Safely handles the real lifeblood of your service, the orders themselves. Safely's approach here is all about being unified. It doesn't matter if your staff is placing an order for a table or if a customer scans a QR code and orders from their own phone, every single order flows into the exact same system. It's one seamless, easy workflow for absolutely everyone.
The order is in. So what happens next? Let's head into the heart of the operation, what we call the Kitchen Command Center, or the Kitchen Dashboard.
Now, this is not just some static list of tickets. It is a live interactive dashboard that's designed for the pace of a busy kitchen. Your team can see all the live orders, and with just a simple tap, they can confirm an item is cooked. And that one little tap, it's huge. It creates a digital timestamp giving you a totally reliable status trail for every single item, which, as you know, is absolutely crucial for traceability and compliance.
So far, we've connected the menu to the kitchen in one smooth workflow. But the real power of Safely is how this all connects to the wider ecosystem, turning your daily operations into incredibly valuable intelligence.
You can actually connect all of this rich operational data directly to Albert AI. I mean, imagine getting AI-powered recommendations based on ordering trends or getting deep insights into your takeout service. This is how you go from just running your service to truly optimizing it. Ever wonder what the real cost of that dish you're serving is? By linking to product inventory, every single order can be tied back to your ingredient usage. This gives you incredibly precise stock management and razor-sharp cost analysis.
And for compliance, you can link everything to your document hub. So if you need to pull up an allergen matrix or check a policy that's related to a menu item, it's all centralized, it's all connected, and it's all accessible right when and where you need it.
When you boil it all down, it comes back to this one single powerful idea. This is about unifying your menus, your ordering channels, and your kitchen execution all in one seamless system.
All right, we've covered the what and the why. Now let's talk about the how. We want you to feel totally empowered to jump in and take control today. So here are your very first steps on that path to mastery.
It really is this simple to get started. Just log into Safely and create your very first dish. After that, build a simple menu plan, even just for one day. And finally, place a test order yourself and watch it pop up on the kitchen dashboard. Once you do that, you'll see the entire workflow just click and come to life. So the only question left is, what operational puzzle are you going to solve first?